drop back.
Hello, good night.
Lando. Lando.
Good night. Yeah.
Good night. Y'all hear me?
Answer me? Yeah, me I hear you.
Yeah, me I hear you. What problem?
Me don't have no problem. Me just come out and speak my mind.
Speak your mind about what?
About how me feel about you.
So, why me I get to understand say, y'all tell people say, me and you sleep together the night before the date. Why you do that?
I mean, I can't say. Alright, honestly, me said that to make the youth jealous.
Lando, you know what? Hold on. Me not take no more requests. Me not take no more requests. Me the request them still. Where you do? Eh? No, just sit alone and go and go do one, please. Hold on there. Hold on there. Me the person. Sexy.
Oh, shit. Sorry, Annie. Is it
What
girl
one?
No, baby. Sorry.
You know say you're my wife, man. Follow me, not my wife. You know follow me on the page here.
I follow the page. What is your page? Oh, God. I know you're not a page. Welcome,
Alright.
Papa. You want to play a game? You got smoke?
No. Me have a convo. When me done, me I come back, come make me
All
a
right.
big one. So get up your people them over there.
Make up your blasted self. One love, baby.
One love, baby.
bad.
Love
Yes,
you back. Alright. So, yeah, sorry about that, Lando. So, as I me say, where this guy say, you don't go say that for make who jealous?
You just said that to make the person jealous.
But Lando, me don't know if you have them type of person here, like literally, you will come out and say them thing as if like say me sleep with her the night before me go up on the date. Big man, come on. What you do? What you do?
As I say, me just did feel that way, feel fucked up. So me just said that to make the person feel, you know?
Lando, let me hear a reason.
Jealous
Let me
and
hear a
feel
reason. Lando.
Yeah.
How much years me the big man?
11 years.
Moderator on the work my comment section. 11 years done, right? You know me done.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna say something to you by far. You know one thing me respect you is because you're one man, you're hardworking. You take care of me youth them for years. You ever did it for me. I'm not gonna take with that from you no day, no time. Right? But you know how fucked up it is? You say you're ready for fight for me. You understand me? But when you come on the day when me supposed to get married, like literally me and you take yourself. I will go down and sentence be Lando. I want to see your face. Like literally me don't want to talk to no blind spot. I want to see your face in the camera and me talk, big man. Wanna help me with this? Yeah. Your family. We go down at the place, drive together, go pick up the paper, right?
Yeah.
Right? And after we got the place to go pick up the paper for go get married. You understand me? You drive, go down there with me. Am I right? Now me and you go together and say we decide to go get married.
Yeah.
Alright. When we go down there, sit down and take a number. Me and you sit down side to side after me get the papers them. And the lady tell us how to sign up the marriage papers them. So we can get married. And she said we have to go Kingston for do the finalized signing, right?
Yeah.
One time me talk about that. What you say? You said after we get married, boom, after the baby born, you're going to tell your baby mother, right? Say that you're married and take care of your child, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. No, but here we get the piece of paper, reach up, and you have to sign the paper, you back out. You back out, you back off, everything change, your whole demeanor change, everything about you change from the paper. You will go for the paper, you know. We'll go for the paper, you know. You understand me? But the moment the paper arrive, your whole demeanor just change. Everything drop. You understand? And this so now, everything. Team Blue, if you not work, on work because you not go sit down for me with 1.5k people and I have one score in front of me look so. I not go sit down with that. You understand me? So my team, I beg you on a chip in for a girl, Annie. Yeah.
Thanks, Miss.
So, you decide, say you don't want to sign the paper, you're back out, right? Right on the appointed time. Guys, 2 rows, you're back out, right? When me and you're supposed to get married, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Why you back out? Why you back out?
Why is that? Alright, at the moment, me catch cold feet at the moment. It's like, and me never did back out.
Thank you, guys.
It's
Thank
like
you.
At the moment, me catch cold feet. Thank you very much, guys. And me did it, I think, until me did it, until me if it don't think, you tear up the paper them already.
So you
Thank
never
you,
look here, me not go plan that because me have sense. No matter how you say me loud or whatever, I have sense. Because if you could have taken all of that time out, if you go sentence B, if you go pick up all of that paper, you understand me? Right? And sit down with me. After you come back now, we're going to have lunch. Your whole demeanor change, so you nobody sign the paper, right? Alright, no problem. So, I tear up the paper. I realize that things not going to work out betwixt me and you. You understand me? I realize that boom, you have your pitney and come. You get me? I just love it because my sister is either a styling thing. You get me? So, I decided, okay then. And my time to move on. You understand? Right? Because if you did love me, you'd have fight for me. Right? You'd have fight for me in that moment. Not true? But you get 4 feet and you got your baby mother. Right? No. Let me ask you a question. The night when time me and the guy go on date. Me and the man, by the way, because it's not a guy, he is a man. Right? The night when me and the man go on date. Were you in Ocherias?
No.
The Thursday, were you in Ocherias?
No, me go with Thursday evening.
Well, me know me and you could never in a bed. You understand me? And the next thing, right? Me and you would have end up go on a date. Like literally, you're saying, okay, then me and you did for go on a date and rate, right? But Lando, we get 11 years. 11 years. I'm wonder why you not see what my work. Like, I not get it. You know what type of woman me is, right? More than anybody else out there. 11 years, big man. Right?
Just like you. You know me more than everybody else. You know me.
Yeah. All right.
You understand?
So, we're talking now. We're reason, no matter how maybe my sound loud because you know my style. What's I'm tired, right? So, boom, so I go up on a date. When I go up on a date, right? You see the date on social media, right? You hear about the date on social media, not so?
Yeah.
Right? So, me and the person is supposed to go on a date. And next, me and you have a conversation. You talk to me and you said, right, your birthday come up and whatever, and you'd like to come on the date with me, you'd like to be on the date with me, right?
Yeah.
You say you don't care, go for your things and whatever. You bring down the things, go get the baby mother. You understand what I say? And come back up for go on the date. Right? What me do? What did I do? Me no go on my date and go enjoy myself. Your baby are born the same night. The same night when me I go on the date. By the way, the conversation here done. Because all pop popcorn and sit down and listen to people. You understand me? Not even tap on that tap my screen. I don't know my screen I go so. We have a phone. Mother talk about everything here, so but me not do it. Because me not got 2,000 people pack up in my life and I don't business if they want to shoot against me. They can't shoot till them shoot off my blood clot head. Right? Because you never choose to carry me upon a fucking date. Me love you for years. Years. Me love you. You understand me? And you never choose to say, make me dress up and carry me go up on a date as a lady and feel good in myself. You understand? Right? And this person come. This person do come.
Yeah, all right. Yeah, all right, me understand you. Me hear
Talk
what
to
you
me.
say, right? All right. That's true. Me never take you up on a date. Like, we go out on date, but not an official date. Right?
When a date, remind me of a date when me and you ever go on. Remind me of a date. Not tears down
So,
cover the
all right.
Remind me of a date when me and you ever go on.
Me say we go out on date, but not an official date. Me and you go book
Well, when we
place
go
and
KFC, I don't have
stay
Burger
and
King.
yeah, me just say we go out, but not an official date. Like where you go up on the other night. You understand? And
But tell me about one hour date now.
no.
Lando, tell me about one hour date. Tell me about 1 hour date. Since we go up, but it's not an official date, but it's a date we go on. Tell me about 1 hour date then we go on.
I know what the thing I run through my head right now.
You can't just talk about a date when me and go on.
Alright.
Thank you, baby. Thank you.
You tell me. How long me we are trying to tell me say? Me and you never go out, go enjoy yourself yet?
Remember one date when me and you go on? Remember one date? Remember one date where you came out, go have fun as a woman and make me enjoy myself and just make me relax and feel like me as a woman. Just remember one now?
That's alright.
Well, I remember one.
Valentine night.
Remember one time me carry you out. Me never did one cook.
Well,
I me carry go down a KFC. Down a KFC where they go. When we reach down a KFC, and we see we start by the bucket of chicken, them and same thing. You started to tell the lady, say, I have so much money for the chicken. Me could have buy one fowl and cookie and me yard. You start the argument. Me grab the bucket of the bag of chicken and same thing and me case and leave because me know you stay. You don't like spend your money certain type of way. So tell me about one other.
Alright, listen, yes. Alright, listen to me now. That way you say, look, well, you're right. You know me of all person. Me love scandal money because me know that the little family they had I forget take care of. Right? Your family I forget take care of, my family I forget take care of. Me ever yet from me what me always do.
I'm not go on that video. I'm not go on that video.
Listen me no. What me always do. Me always say, alright, babes, boy, I'm only here with me and you did I take and go out. Go enjoy yourself. You know, say, better we take and buy some food, but now we sleep in them. I know something.
I know you still like that. I may not go on that. Family always I go separate things and no time when time you go take care of your woman. You understand me? Go out with your woman and spend some quality time with your woman. No, may I ask you this a question here because me feel like that life you just there yourself for nothing. Right? I feel like people just come and watch me, them buy them popcorn, them sit up, them and eat them well, relax. Yeah. So you see that them must support the life, guys, I will come off. That's it. Dead serious. No, you. I just know say the only reason why you end up back in your feelings is like boomsn. It's because you see me end up going on the date. Like you see somebody come out and say, okay, then they rate me certain way. Because yet still, why you never take the time why you never take the time for come out and end up said, all right, then me I fight for you. Annie, all right, then me tell the whole world, so I love you. You understand what me I say?
So
Annie,
I want me to know.
Let me do this and show everybody say me care about
after
you.
I hide me hide and do it now. Come on, guys. Don't let them snipe from me.
I snipe me see I worry about. That's why you tell them about see
so I know come me.
No man, go and worry about them and snipe against me because I know they don't like me. I know none of them over there don't like me. And I don't have a problem. I don't have a problem. Yeah. Guys, thank you so much. Everybody, guys, we are tapping scream. Thank you. Everybody will give me, guys. Thank you so much. Right?
Thank you very much, unbothered.
So what your mission? Let me know your mission now, please, quick. Tell me your mission. State your mission.
Honestly, my mission is right now to work back for my relationship, fight for my relationship, but the whole world know. So me I fight for my relationship because right now this is not a joking thing nor a petty thing like where some people come and look cloud. Me not look cloud. You understand? Me I look long life relationship. You understand? Me not look cloud.
Yeah, look long life relationship.
Yeah. Far me here come from. Yeah. No, me ask one question now. I want you build. I want you build this thing.
Bill what? That what
Huh?
you talk about? The social media and YouTube thing?
Yeah. Where I come from far to tell you lose your big page. You remember you lose your big page, your YouTube page and your TikTok page.
Uh-huh.
You remember say me and you usually depend that I do some I cook, I prank, me I do your makeup. You remember them days there?
The man, talk. Yeah, guys. Talk.
Far away. Come on, guys, catch it. Far away I come from. I know just yes so. I know come here, come now.
Wanna say what go on? Cause honestly, honestly, you see how me get in a one temper and I not go like it. I go get in a one deep dirty temper. No, not go like it. Here. No, honestly, what wanna say? Me I wanna this say run. Wanna not see? And like all of them come against me like a joking thing, bro. Like literally. And if people them sit down over there, have him like him attack and say, me and him sleep that night. When time we go up on a date. Let me tell you something. Nobody no one believe me. I have never been out on a date. It's my first date. That's the reason I said, okay, then all if I style the personal style me fine. But just go out and enjoy myself. You understand me? You know how funny it is? Me would never be back with this man because your baby mother, I let the girl